Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to download Instagram on Android and on your desktop. So let's start the video. It's very easy. You have to go to the Play Store and search for Instagram application. And here you have the options of install. So simply tap on it and your Instagram app will be installed. And for the desktop, you have to go to the browser and search for Instagram application. And here on the top right corner of your screen or desktop, tap on these three dots. And there you'll find the option of more or create shortcut. Here we have option of add to home screen. So you have to tap on it and tap on add. So this will create shortcut on your desktop and add or install Instagram on your desktop and Android. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.